Hello guys and welcome back to Baby Learning and to another video of my series From Zero to Hero. Last time we talked about how to ask a person about their countries. We also talked about verb to be. You can watch the full video by clicking on the card showing above or by clicking on the link in the description. Today we are going to talk about jobs. Guess the job. I'm a doctor. I treat people who are sick. I'm a nurse. I work in a hospital. I care for the sick too, but I'm not a doctor. I'm a student. I study at a university. I'm a singer. I sing to make people happy. I'm a bus driver. I drive a bus to take people everywhere in the city. I'm a police officer. I protect the city from criminals. I'm a chef. I cook food in a restaurant or a hotel. I'm an engineer. I design, build, or maintain engines, machines, or structures. This is Anas. He is a teacher. He likes his job. And this is Adele. She's from the UK. She is a singer and a songwriter. She is my favorite singer. Eric Clapton is from the UK too, and he is a singer. What is Anas's job? He is a teacher. Is Adele from the US? No, she isn't. She is from the UK. Is she a singer? Yes, she is. Is Eric from the UK? Yes, he is. Are Adele and Eric famous singers? Yes, they are. This is Elon Musk. He is from South Africa. He is an engineer and he is 48 years old. This is Raymond Blanc. He is a chef from France. Gordon Ramsay is from the UK, from Scotland. He is a very famous chef and writer. Where is Elon Musk from? He's from South Africa. What's his job? He's an engineer. Is Raymond Blanc a teacher? No, he isn't. He is a chef. Is he from Italy? No, he isn't. He's from France. Are Raymond and Gordon from France? No, they aren't. Raymond is from France, but Gordon is from Scotland. We use the first form, which is the casual form, when we had just one person in the sentence. And we use the second form, which is the suit, when we had more than one person in the sentence. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Thanks for watching and see you later.